Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be talking about 4 specific knees that we use in Latin American dancing. The 4 knees that we use are locked, straight, soft, and bent. All of the knees are pretty self-explanatory, but we'll go through them. So, the first one we said is locked. So locked is going past the straight in the locked position, knees back. You feel that your thighs are tightening a bit and you're just locked and a little bit restricted. The next one is straight. It has a little bit more leniency to it. It is a softer knee. The next one is a soft knee where we slightly bend and we have a nice little springy, soft feeling in it. And the next one is a bent knee. And you bend it, but don't go too far to the point where your heels start coming up off the ground. Just enough. Okay guys, now I'm gonna explain when and where we use each knee. The first thing, locked. Like I said, it's quite restricted. I would personally only use a locked knee when I'm trying to hit a position, or if I'm doing some sort of, let's say, design, yeah? Then I would really restrict, I would stop, I would push those knees back, create a beautiful line, and have that moment. I wouldn't use a locked knee, for instance, in a Rumba walk, because I shouldn't be restricted, and I need to have a nice movement within my legs. I would use a straight knee in a Rumba walk. So a good example of a soft knee would be a cucaracha. Back in the day, they would do this more often than nowadays. Nowadays, people prefer a straight knee in a cucaracha, but it's not right, it's not wrong, whatever your preference is. If you prefer to do a cucaracha with a bit of a softer knee or with a straight knee, both are correct. The last knee that we're going to talk about is the bent knee. This can be used in any figures that have bounce, for example, cruzado walks and whisk. Some of the dances use more ranges than others, and we will be going over that in future videos in specific figures. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.